In this video, you're going to be seeing exactly how I went from 0 to 20 cents every single 10 seconds in affiliate commissions in about the last 24 hours of work. Now in this video, I'm going to reveal all my strategy secrets and the steps that I took so that you can do this and get exclusive insight into this so that you can kind of replicate this in your own way and make 20 cents in affiliate commissions every 10 seconds. Now I know 20 cents may seem like a lot of money at all, but it definitely starts to add up and can add up to be quite a bit of money. So if you end up sticking until the very end, you're going to be learning exactly how I generated 20 cents in affiliate commissions every 10 seconds, exactly how you can do that, all the strategy secrets that I took, and everything that I've done in the last 24 hours to earn this kind of money so that you can do this as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And I'm also going to be sharing with you guys exactly how this little 20 cents every 10 seconds trick works by just a few minutes of your time. And this video, you can be doing this and literally making 20 cents every 10 seconds in the next 10 minutes after this video. The whole point of this is hopefully for you to generate a little bit of extra income to get you kickstarted to making bigger money online. As at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the money that you make from this to invest into a far more profitable business model called drop servicing, which will definitely scale you to beyond more than 20 cents every 10 seconds, probably $500 to $1,000 per day. Also, I'm going to be doing a quick giveaway in this video. So before we get started, I'm actually going to give away my $397 six-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp, where you get lifetime mentorship from me and over $19,000 worth of modules and bonuses. All you need to do is count, watch this video carefully from beginning to end, count how many times I say the word drop servicing. The first person who comments down below the right number, I will pin them on the comments and announce them in tomorrow's video, and I will send you over my $397 course completely for free. And also, you've got to make sure that you've subscribed down below to this channel, Millionaire Mindset, with the bell on, and left a like on this video as well. If I see your comment and you haven't subscribed or liked, you won't be valid for the giveaway of the bootcamp, so you need to make sure that you do all three. And the first step, guys, is to head over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching as I'm going to reveal this in a bit. But honestly, this is a huge gold mine online. You can make a lot of money with this website. They give you over 12,597 different ebooks, courses, video courses, software, graphics, templates that you can use as your own, rebrand that, and resell that. You don't need to create any product yourself. You can sell this worldwide, so you can make dollars from anywhere in the world by just selling this with the way that I'm going to teach you. So all you need to do is you need to come over to this website over here. I'm going to reveal it in a bit. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Over here, you're going to see a tab that says affiliates over here. Click on that. It's going to take you to a page like this. Now, what I really like about this is we're not selling anything. We don't need to go and cold promote this to people. I can literally head over to my neighbor and say to them, hey, would you like over 12,000 courses for free? Here you go. Here's my link. You get 20 cents every time you sign up a complete free member. Why this website is doing this, instead of spending thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars on Google ads, they decided to pay us affiliates 20 cents per free referral. That way, they're getting a lot of people to their website via us as their affiliates, which is kind of a win-win because both they make money on this website when they sign people up, and we make money through the affiliate program. All you need to do is scroll down a little bit down the page. You can see over here your steps to become an affiliate. All you need to do is log in with your account, so you can go and register a completely free account on this website over here called idplr.com. Head over to idplr.com, come over to the affiliates tab like I showed you, and sign in over here. Once you've logged in, it's going to take you to this page over here. Come over to the affiliate tabs over here again. It's going to take you to this tab over here. What you need to do is enter your ClickBank username. And over here, you're going to see you can download either your custom page or your custom URL. But some of you, like it's showing for me, is not going to show your custom URL. All you need to do is this. Come over to your profile over here. Click on dashboard over here. Click on edit your details over here. Here you can see your username. What you need to do is copy this username. Mine is Froneman2. Come over to a new browser tab. Type in the following: idplr.com/a/your username. That's going to be your affiliate link, and when people sign up on that affiliate link, you're going to get 20 cents over and over again. So if I click on enter, take a look at this. It's just going to load for a couple of seconds, and boom, it takes me through to their landing page. And now when I go sign up for free, I get 20 cents over and over again. Now the next thing that I want to show you to make this 20 cents every 10 seconds, I want to show you this tool that I've been using for about the past year and a half. I'm going to reveal it in a bit, so make sure to keep watching. This tool basically with just 3 clicks ranks you on Google and YouTube on the #1 page. This is a tool I've used to ultimately blow up my YouTube channel, blow up some of my websites, to rank on the top and to get hundreds of thousands, even sometimes millions of views on my channel. So what you need to do is you need to come over to YouTube over here. Just search anything. For example, on IDPLR, how to grow a Facebook page. Click on enter over here. What you need to do is filter by Creative Commons. These are videos that you are allowed to go and download and repost as yourself. But what you need to do is we're actually going to reuse these videos, and we're going to go use the Video Marketing Blaster. I can actually see this guy over here has used the Video Marketing Blaster tool and has already got 800 views. Now 800 signups, let me just show you. 800 times 0.20 is already about $160 that he could have made on this video. And once you've logged into this tool over here, it's called videomarketingblaster.com. This tool is a once-off amount of $27. If you would like, I can leave my affiliate link down below where you will get $70 off the original $97 for $27. So definitely, if you want to use this tool, head over to the first link or the Video Marketing Blaster link in the description down below. I'm an affiliate for this tool, but I did manage to get a coupon for you guys. So definitely head down below if you want to use this tool, and I'll see you there. Once you've logged into your tool, it's going to look like this. All you need to do is click on keywords over here, paste the main keyword over here that you searched on YouTube, how to grow a Facebook page, copy that, paste that over here. You want to select worldwide, click on research, click on start new research. Now what this tool is going to do is it's going to search all the videos, Google pages in the world and generate a done for you title, tag and description based on these viral videos and top ranked videos already to rank your video at the top. So you can see over here tons of other done for you alternative keywords that it recommends you to go and rank for as well, to just get even more views over here. But I just want to rank for this basic tool or term over here called how to grow a Facebook page. Once that is done, click on video details over here, click on generate details, same thing, paste your same keyword, click on general over here, click on next step again, choose 3 other suggestions over here. So how to increase Facebook page organic reach, how to gain Facebook followers, select a secondary keyword over here. For example, how to get Facebook followers. Click on another secondary keyword, how to increase Facebook reach, and one more, grow on Facebook. And then we can click on next step over here. You want to click on generate details over here. All you want to do is you want to go and re-upload one of these Creative Commons videos on your own growth channel. Paste that same title, description, and tags, and just leave in the description your affiliate link. Here is access to over 12,000 different digital marketing and Facebook courses. People then will go to your IDPLR affiliate link, go download a Facebook group, but they can't download it until they sign up an account. When they sign up that account, you're going to get 20 cents every referral that you make. And what you can do is once you've done that and made a bit of money from that free strategy, you can use something called ShoutCatcher.com, which is a database where you can find the biggest Instagram pages in the world and pay them to shout you out and scale big time from there. So over here you can see pages. I just want to filter this, make sure it's filtered. Okay, it is filtered by Instagram. You want to have a look here. Here is a page, for example. Let me just log in with my account. Over here you can pay a page with 825,000 followers $250. So let's say you now make $250 using this ranking tool that I showed you with YouTube, and you go and pay this page to do a swipe up feature to your affiliate link on IDPLR. You could just say, guys, if you want access to over 12,000 different ebooks and video courses, swipe up, and that leads to your affiliate link. So let's take, for example, if just 5,000 people sign up onto the free plan out of this 825,000 followers, let's multiply that by $0.20. That's $1,000 that you can make in just one shout out, and how you can scale big time. So I hope you can understand with this how you can scale big time with this. But guys, if you want to see what I do full-time off of YouTube at just 21 years old, I generate anywhere between $500 and $1,500 per day profit drop servicing and selling rare high income skills and services without actually doing the work myself. So what I do is I sit as the man in the middle, just like drop shipping, and I outsource these services through freelancers online and keep huge profits in between. Now I've created an entire 57-minute video bootcamp, lifetime mentorship, lifetime access to this. That's basically like having me next to you design your successful drop servicing store with you. So this is a course that is completely transparent. You'll see over here on the sales page, I explain to you exactly what is in this course. I explain to you what drop servicing is, and I show you all the results from my stores using the course that I've created. My top store generated about $228,000 in 2020 alone from the info that I teach in this course. You'll see over here at the bonuses section, I actually give to you one of my done for you drop servicing agencies that personally generated me $98,000 in 2020, included in this bootcamp, which costs $397. It's on huge special right now because I want it to be affordable and I want you guys to get results. But I do feel that this information is it took a lot of effort. It's taken a lot of time, a lot of effort, and it's very sensitive, high value information. That's why I feel this shouldn't be for free on YouTube. But in this course, I do give you as much as value as possible. I give you a nice kickstart by giving you an entire done for you drop servicing agency with tons of other done for you bonuses valued at $19,000. So if you want to get access to this at $397, it's lasting for about the next, I would say, 3 days. I think this coupon is lasting for. Head over to the first link in the description and I'll see you over here.